So I can't believe it. Our house is for sale. We put in an offer on a different house a bit further away from where we live currently and got it accepted, which is really exciting. We live in South Minneapolis in a 1950s Rambler, so it's just kind of like, it's a perfect little starter home. It's just a great home in general, so I'm gonna be sad to leave, but our office moved to about 45-50 minutes away from where we live, and we were just very over the commute. So as much as I absolutely love living in South Minneapolis, it just made more sense for our family to move closer to our work and like office and stuff, because Joel and I work together. So we didn't have to drive 45, 50, sometimes there's a lot of traffic, an hour. That's just one way. So it just eats up a lot of time. So anyways, I thought I would give you guys essentially a farewell full house tour. I've been meaning to do this for so long, but you know, you like think, oh, I'm gonna get it all done and get it all perfect before I do a full house tour, but life happens and it doesn't. But this is like the cleanest my house has been in a very long time. And it's like kind of pared down a little bit from how we normally live in it, because it goes on the market tomorrow, so we're just kind of making it as, you know, staged, you know, selling buyer friendly, if that makes sense. You know what I'm talking about. So let me give you a tour of the space. I will also do a before and after kind of reel right at the end of this, so I'll try and make this tour kind of quick. And Harriet's napping, so I won't go in her room right away, but I will like edit it in for you so you can still see inside her room. So clock is ticking, Harriet's napping, let's go on this tour, but stay to the end so you can see the before and after, because this place was very, very ugly when we first bought it. Like very ugly, and mostly covered in like 90% wallpaper. But to give you a little idea, it's like I said, it's a 1950s Rambler, 3-bedroom. We have a 3-season porch off the back, and then a partially finished basement. So our total living square footage would be 1,500. That doesn't include the porch, because if it's 3-season, you don't get to include it in your like total finished square footage. So we live in 1,500 square feet. Let's go take a look. So this is our front door. You walk into our home. You walk into kind of like a little partitioned entry, but mostly it is our living and dining space. We have a fireplace that's gas that we love. This is our dining little space nook. And here is our kitchen. This is probably one of the most, this and the basement are one of the most transformed spaces since we bought the home. This used to actually be a little pocket door. But the cabinets are original. We put new floors, and we're able to match them with the original ones. And then we added new countertops, backsplash, and new appliances. This door right here is our pantry. Ta-da! Nice and messy. Harry and I just finished lunch, so there's a little bit of a mess still in here, but that is real life. We put a new hardware on the doors and a new faucet, new countertops, which are lovely. We kept the existing layout of the kitchen, and it works well. And then I added this island a bit. I built, and has 2 chairs. We used to kind of slide it out more, but this is Harriet's Sprout learning tower, and that lives in here all the time because she loves it. That's down to the basement. I'll show you in a second. But we'll go out our back door, which is our 3-season porch that we love so much. We were just playing out here earlier. This was another very different looking space from when we originally bought it. We added these beams and the beadboard painted every surface of everything. And then recently, I think maybe 2 summers ago, we put in that tile floor, which has been really nice. But this was an addition to our house. Not by us, but by a previous homeowner. So then this is what's considered our third bedroom. It's a pass-through room, pretty common in these 1950s Rambler type of homes. We started packing a little bit already. But this acts as a very multi-purpose room. So over here, it's kind of a desk spot. Sorry, that light's on. For myself, and here, so I do a lot of sewing, or we'll do work there. And this is kind of our closet of coats and stuff. And then this side, it functions as a bit more like a mudroom for us. So it works well. This room, we ended up doing like a faux affordable shiplap because it had so many layers of wallpaper that we could not get off. So we shiplapped over it. It was impossible. And then this is Harriet's room. She's napping right now. Harriet woke up from her nap, but she's been playing doctor, so she's in her room saying she's sick. What are you doing in there? I'm doing groups. You sitting in your bed? Alright, so this is Harriet's room. This is our little Montessori floor bed. I kind of rearranged it. So I would have moved these, but since we're moving, I'm probably obviously not going to. And then this is the other side. I don't know, kids' rooms just like evolve. There's stuff I would do in here if we were staying longer, but not the case. And then this is the other side with her little dresser and all that kind of stuff. And then inside her little closet, this is where all of her clothes are that she gets now. Lots of books, some more clothes, and then we store all of our toys up there. And then this is our pink, peachy pink. It's like the most wonderful color. Original 1950s bathroom that we recently updated, and I'll have a video out for you soon about that. It's just kind of a little peek. We kept it very original to the home. It still is. So this is our only bathroom on this level. We have 2 bathrooms in this house, one upstairs and one down. And then this is our master bedroom. We also have a little linen closet opposite of the bathroom, which is really nice and adds a ton of storage for us. And as you walk, that's the living room where we first started. And then this is mine and Joel's bedroom. So it's a nice big room for this style of a home. That's a king bed that we have. And a huge bonus to this room that we were excited about when we bought it was that it had his and hers closets, which aren't like the most amazing closets you've ever seen, but it is amazing to have my own closet. I have so much laundry, I need to do it, but I added some shelves and add another shelf up there to add some storage. Excuse my very messy closet. And I think Joel's a little bit more clean, but we added this in for him for some drawers. And then he has clothes, and at the top he has some folded stuff because I'm too short to reach my shelves up there on a daily basis. So again, there it is. We'll go downstairs. And down to the basement, this room looks much different from when we first bought it. Put in the stair runner, really totally remodeled and gutted this basement. Over here is Harriet's little play space. It used to kind of act as our workout little zone pre-Harriet, but now it is designated as like her little toy area. Then over here we installed a little dry bar, and then this is our laundry room, which I'll give you a quick tour of too. And then over here is our main living space, or like second family room type of thing. We have our rower, which we actually put away for our showings. And we're lucky enough to have another fireplace down here, which we use all the time and love so much. And then this way, this is our, like a kind of a closet and our water access, our main water access. We put in this egress window. This is a little linen closet that just adds more storage down here. That's nice for like our exercise, like little weights and stuff, and then towels for down here, and blankets, and an empty shelf. And then over here is the bathroom that we added. It used to just be like a solo weird toilet down here. That was it. And it was like in the storage section. So we totally reconfigured this and added a bathroom with a shower. This is just a shower, not a bathtub, which is really nice to have. And that's it. Oh yeah, I'll show you the little laundry room. Nothing too special, but I'm planning on doing like a kind of, it'll be a really small video on this, but I redid it just this last spring and winter and just made some really simple changes to it to just make it nicer and more functional for us. But this is essentially just a laundry room. This is like our overflowing paint storage that we've been sorting through, and some shelves. And then over here is like a big kind of storage area and all of our utilities. So that's our full house tour. I know I've done videos in more depth of specific spaces, so you can take a look at those. And my house is like always evolving and things are kind of swapping and changing out. So I'll leave as many links in the description as I can for items. But yeah, it's just crazy. I can't believe we're moving. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the full kind of final farewell tour of our home. I'm gonna miss it dearly, but I'm also very excited for a shorter commute for one, a new project. It'll be a bigger home, which is exciting. And I don't know, I'm excited to take on a new project and decorate this home because it's completely different than this home itself, the like 1950s charm. But I will share a before tour, an empty before tour for you of the new home here shortly. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.